Welcome dear friends. In this video we will discuss objective part of CSS Everyday Science paper 2014. So let's start. Question 1 is, who was the early dentist and also inventor of many surgical instruments? The answer is Al-Zahrawi. The echo of Big Bang can be heard in the form of microwave radio signals. Umar Khayyam was poet, mathematician and astronomer. Who was the first Muslim mathematician who used zero? Al-Khwarizmi. Why do some nebula shines? The answer is they reflect light. A shooting star is a meteor. A clinical death takes place when there is no pulse, no heartbeat, and pupils are fixed and dilated, and there is no reaction to light. What is Hubble classification? It is classification of galaxies. Sun rises in the east and sets in the west due to rotation of Earth on its axis. What are cyclones? Violent wind and rain. From an ecological point of view, human beings are taken as consumers. The major cause of land pollution is urbanization, construction, mining, extraction, and agriculture. The sharp, bitter taste of unripe fruits is due to a high concentration of organic acids. Antibiotic resistant bacteria are bacteria that are not controlled or killed by antibiotics. Flesh eaters are called carnivores. Chromosomes are made up of DNA, RNA, and proteins. Plants can be made disease resistant by hormone treatment. An important ingredient used in Vicks vapor rub is obtained from the plant Cinnamomum camper. Which of the following is both endocrine and exocrine gland? Pancreas. The process by which a small amount of impurities is added into a semiconductor is called doping. Which of the following is a semiconductor? Silver. The loudness of sound depends on its amplitude. Silverfish belongs to insect. A person standing in front of which mirror finds his image smaller than him and erect. Concave. The densities of three liquids are D, 2D and 3D. Their average density will be 2D. Which term in psychology is generally used to refer to emotional disorders such as anxiety, depression and phobia? Neurosis. The quickest, most readily available source of energy for the body is carbohydrates. The sum of kinetic energy and potential energy of an oscillating body is minimum in the beginning. Laser is an acronym for light amplification for stimulated emission of radiation. If carbon dioxide is passed through lime water for a long time, the cloudy white color disappears because of the formation of calcium hydroxide. Permanent hardness of water is due to the presence of calcium sulfate. Articles made of copper and bronze slowly tarnish in air and turn green. The green color is due to the formation of corrosion. Bleaching powder loses its power on keeping for a long time because it changes into calcium chloride and calcium chlorate. When the quantity of charge on each of the two bodies is doubled, the force between them becomes quadruple. Light year is related to distance. The word ceramic means hard material. The operation of a solar cell is based on photoconduction. The minimum number of bits required to store the hexadecimal number AF is 4 bits. Which of the following minerals is most resistant to chemical weathering? Quartz. If an igneous rock cuts across a sedimentary rock, we know that the igneous rock is younger than the sedimentary rock. The discipline that deals with the understanding and treatment of mental health is called applied psychology. Overcooking of food should be avoided because overcooking reduces the nutritive value of food. Optical fiber operates on the principle of total internal reflection. The sensation of the skin is perceived by epidermis. The SI unit of charge is coulomb. The wavelength of very high frequency VHF is shorter. Radioactivity was discovered by Becquerel. The most abundant element in the universe is hydrogen. Which of the following is a conventional designation of pre-release software? Beta. The most abundant element in the Earth's crust is oxygen. Thank you for watching this video. Stay blessed.